Flight jet 96, are you next up at the runway?
We are.
Flight jet 96, runway 21, clear takeoff. November 6 Echo Lima, Scottsdale, roger, enter right base, runway 21, traffic will work right at the runway, couple banner toes out there.
Looking for traffic, right base, 21, 6 Echo Lima.
Footles 978, can you get to runway 21 and Alpha 15, or are you past it?
Yeah, we can make that structure in here, 978.
Footles 970, roger, taxi up to hold short runway 21 and Alpha 15, I'm going to get you going next. Flight jet 96 in that right turn, heading 300, contact Phoenix Park, you have a safe flight.
300 heading, Flight jet 96, good day.
Footles 978, runway 21, clear takeoff.
That's a Charlie.
Balloon 9 Charlie Foxtrot, got you loud and clear, Helmy.
Wow, loud and clear. That's quiet as I've heard you.
Yeah, we're getting a little break, but right now we're about to hit another reliable push. Cessna 6513 Delta, northbound approved, runway 21, clear takeoff, cautionary turbulence, departing Citation. Footles 978 in that right turn, contact Phoenix Park, you have a safe flight.
Over departure, 978, good day.
Charlie Golf, X-ray Golf Whiskey, traffic you're following is a Polaris on a short final, your number 2, runway 21, clear to land.
Good land, busy with the traffic, Charlie Golf, X-ray Golf Whiskey.
Cessna 12 Delta traffic for you, just west of Pinnacle Peak is a Cessna inbound for the right downwind at 4,000 and descending for 2,500. Additional traffic is a banner tow at your 12 o'clock.
Alright, 13 Delta looking for traffic, we'll maintain 2,500 for now.
Thanks, sir. Cessna 30 Yankee traffic for you is a Cessna just 1 mile west of the runway, maintaining 2,500, they're northbound. X-ray Golf West, turn left next taxiway, taxi 2 signature via Bravo, monitor ground point 6, good day. Gamma Jet 821, number 1, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, 21, Gamma Jet 821. And there's a balloon out here. I'm sure you know about that, right?
Stay perimeter, they're going to be left of the runway at all times.
Gamma Jet 821.
Ranger 732, your base turn is approved. Traffic overflying you is a Hawker at 4,000. The traffic you're following is on short final, almost over the numbers, runway 21, clear to land.
Base traffic inside, base approved, short final traffic inside, clear to land, runway 21.
November 1, Charlie Charlie, runway 21, quick takeoff. Traffic off the departure end is a Hawker jet at 4,000. Make a left slow traffic. Hawker 7, Foxtrot, just extend that upwind 1 more mile, then make left close traffic. I will call your base.
Extend 1 mile, then left close traffic, you'll call base. 837 Foxtrot, Foxtrot.
And 7 Foxtrot, you can descend to pattern altitude 3,000.
Descend 3,000, 837 Foxtrot, Foxtrot.
Challenger 1 Alpha Victor, traffic will pass off your left side in the left downwind. Hawkers are going to follow you. November 1 Charlie Charlie, in that right turn heading 320, you contact Phoenix Park to get a safe flight.
Under departure on 320 heading, following 1 Charlie Charlie.
Exit 679, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land 21, exit 679.
And November 6 0, runway Tango Scottsdale Tower, you up?
Yep, we're up to 0.
Copy 0, runway Tango, you're going to squawk 4152, I've got your number 4 in line.
4152.
Medevac to November Alpha, sorry about the wait in that right turn heading 320, contact Phoenix Park, have a safe flight.
Thanks for your help, over to departure.
Exit 679, where you parking?
Get it in.
Exit 679, turn right on Alpha 4, and then taxi 2 Jet D Alpha, monitor ground point 6.
Alpha 4, Alpha, ground point 6, exit 679.
Cessna 39 Delta traffic you're following is a Cessna heading to your right at about your 1 o'clock, your number 2 following that Cessna runway 21, clear to land.
39 Delta Double, looking for the traffic and clear to land number 2.
Number 2 Sierra Julius, a right turn heading 335 now, 335, runway 21, quick takeoff.
Heading 335, 21, quick takeoff, Sierra Julius.
Aviator 17, 1 departure, I'm sorry, there'll be 2 departures, runway 21, clear to land, cautionary turbulence, departing regional jet.
21 clear to land, look for those departures, Aviator 17.
Air Smart 92, cautionary turbulence from the departing regional jet. Your northbound is approved, runway 21, quick takeoff, traffic Cessna left downwind. And Aviator 17, there'll be 1 more departure, Cessna.
Look for that departure, Aviator 17.
Number 2 Sierra Julia, in that right turn heading 335, contact Phoenix Park, with a plane.
Minister going to departure to Sierra Julia.
Cessna 6 and Alpha, northbound approved, runway 21, quick takeoff, traffic Challenger 4 mile final.
6 Alpha, 6 takeoff.
November 4 Bravo Zulu, number 1, runway 21, clear to land, additional traffic, departure before you ride the Cessna.
Okay, 21 clear to land, 4 Bravo Zulu.
Cessna 6 Lima Alpha, no need to respond, but as soon as you can, give me the early right turn to the north.
Early right turn to the north.
Cessna 349, traffic no factors, you can improve, have a safe flight.
Director 5349er, thank you.
Number 4 Bravo Zulu, stay parked. Number 4 Bravo Zulu, turn right off the 5, take straight across 2 Ross, monitor ground 0.6 today. JCar 477, runway 21, quick takeoff. Range of 772, you can bring in that brake.
Range 32 and right foot.
November 4 Mike 01, departure at beach jet.
Alright, nice jam.
Chart right 223, traffic off the departure end of the Cessna, then a right turn to Deer Valley, they'll be at or below 2,500, runway 21, quick takeoff. Cessna turn on a mic, maintain at or below 2,500, faster traffic will depart and trail, climb at above you, Falcon.
At or below 2,500, we got him on the screen, looking for traffic, turn on a mic.
Cessna 13 Delta, runway 21, clear to land, traffic will depart prior to arrival, citation.
21 clear to land, Cessna 13 Delta.
06 Delta Mike, when able, begin that descent to pattern altitude, traffic off the departure end is the Falcon and a climbing right turn to the north, additional traffic, citation just behind them doing the same thing. Chart right 223, in that right turn, contact Phoenix Park, you have a safe flight.
Forward 2 departure, chart rate 223, good job.
November 781 Mike Mike, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, clear to land, you're number 1.
21 clear to land, 781 Mike Mike.
Sirius 9 Lima, constantly turbulence from the arriving Legacy, runway 21, line of await traffic is a Bonanza on a 5-mile straight in.
Constantly turbulence, 9 Lima Motel.
November 1 Mike Mike, stay again, your park. November 1 Mike Mike, right to turn left next taxiway, taxi 2 signature via Bravo, monitor ground 0.6, good day.
Bravo 0.6.
Scottsdale Tower, banner 299 kilo, right if I cross over midfield and take the freeway out to Chandler.
Banner 299 kilo, roger, proceed across the runway and proceed on course.
Cross runway and on course, 99 kilo.
November 0 Mike Juliet, appreciate crew, have a safe flight.
Switching to 20.70 Mike Juliet, thanks.
November 8 Tango Delta, runway 21, quick takeoff. Quick takeoff, runway 21, 18 Tango Delta. Sirius 6 Delta Mike, cosmically turbulence, departing Gulfstream, runway 21, clear to land.
Good to land, 6 Delta Mike.
Cessna 349, runway 21, line of await traffic citation over Pinnacle Peak. November 8 Tango Delta, and that right turn heading 300, contact Phoenix Park.
There was departure heading 300, 18 Tango Delta.
November 499 Julie Bravo, 1 departure citation, taking the runway, runway 21, clear to land, number 1.
Clear land number 1, that is your Bravo.
Citation 8 Alpha Mike, in that right turn, contact Phoenix Park, you have a safe flight.
8 Alpha Mike, see you.
November 9 Juliet Bravo, when able, safe parking. November 9 Juliet Bravo, roger, turn left, next taxiway, you can taxi to hangar 1 via Bravo, monitor ground 0.6, good day. And 07 Lima, if you can, keep your speed up, traffic, you're inside of the citation, they're about 6 miles in trail of you.
Okay, we'll keep it up for 07 Lima.
Charlie Golf, X-ray Golf Whiskey, runway 21, quick takeoff. November 07 Lima, continue for runway 21, traffic will hold in position to Cirrus.
Okay, continue for 21 for 07 Lima.
Aviator to 54, Scottsdale Tower, hold short runway 21. X-ray Golf Whiskey, in that right turn, contact Phoenix Park, you have a safe flight.
What's your JS07, X-ray Golf Whiskey?
Sirius 9 Lima, still constantly turbulence from the arriving Legacy, runway 21, line of await traffic is a Bonanza on a 5-mile straight in.
Constantly turbulence, 9 Lima Motel.